I just want you to answer the questions with one sentence.
Okay.
Here we go. How are you?
I'm doing well.
What's your name?
My name is Esther.
How old are you?
I'm 33 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from the US.
Where were you born?
I was born in Chicago.
Where do you live?
I live in California.
Are you single?
No, I'm not.
Are you married?
No, I'm not.
Do you have any children?
No, I don't.
What do you do?
I'm a school counselor.
Do you have any siblings?
I have some brothers and sisters.
What's your hobby?
I like shopping.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
What's your favorite color?
I like white.
What did you eat for breakfast today?
I had kimchi stew.
What's your blood type?
My blood type is O.
What's the last book you've read?
The last book I read was called Lakota Woman.
What's the last movie you've seen?
The last movie I've seen is Aladdin.
What time do you usually get up?
I usually get up around 7.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I do.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 11.
How often do you drink alcohol?
I drink about once a week.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is burritos.
What's your favorite drink?
I like horchata.
What was your major in university?
I studied psychology and social behavior.
How many languages do you speak?
I can speak 3 languages.
How was the weather today?
It's nice and sunny.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can.
What are you going to do today?
I'm going to meet a friend.
What are you doing now?
I'm talking to you.
Where would you like to travel next?
I'd like to see Greece.
What did you do last night?
I ate dinner with my aunt.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
Tomorrow I'm working.
What sports can you play?
I can ice skate and snowboard.
Can you do me a favor?
Sure.
Could you lend me $100?
I don't have $100.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling well.
Are you tired?
A little bit.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
Do you like me?
Yes, I do.
Do you love me?
Not in that way.
Have you ever gone bungee jumping?
No, I haven't.
Could we have lunch together one day?
Sounds good.
Have you ever been to France?
No, I haven't.
How do you get to work?
I drive.
How long does it take?
About 15 minutes.
How often do you ride the bus?
I never ride the bus.
Are you sick?
No, I'm not.
Are you on any sort of medication?
No, I'm not.
Do you prefer ice cream or cake?
I like ice cream.
Do you have a credit card?
Yes, I do.
Do you prefer traveling by car, train, or plane?
I like traveling by car.
Do you prefer traveling alone or joining a guided tour?
I prefer traveling alone.
Can you play tennis?
Yes, I can.
Are you rich?
No, I'm not.
Do you like to use social media?
Yes, I do.
Do you agree that money is the root of all evil?
In some cases, yes.
Are you an optimist or a pessimist?
I'm definitely an optimist.
Are you afraid of needles?
No, I'm not.
Is it okay for men to cry?
Definitely.
Are you a romantic person?
Yes, I am.
What gets you really angry?
Mean people make me angry.
Who's your favorite celebrity?
I really like Ryan Gosling.
Are you a pet lover?
Yes, I am.
Do you prefer cats or dogs?
I like both.
What is your favorite song?
I don't have a favorite song.
Do you have any phobias?
I'm afraid of heights.
Are men better than women?
Definitely not.
What are your strengths?
I think I'm kind and funny.
Who do you admire the most?
I really admire Gandhi.
Are you a vegan?
No, I'm not.
Do you sing well?
Yes, I do.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can.
How many pillows do you sleep with?
I sleep with 2 pillows.
What's your favorite holiday?
I like Halloween and Christmas.
Are you a clean or messy person?
I'm a messy person.
Do you collect anything?
I collect books.
Are you an introvert or an extrovert?
I'm a little bit of both.
What was your first job?
I was a salesperson at a department store.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm a night owl.
If you could live anywhere, where would it be?
I'd like to live in Hawaii or a tropical country.
What is your proudest accomplishment?
I'm proud of graduating from grad school.
What makes a happy marriage?
Communication and compromise.
Do you get bored easily?
No, I don't.
What subjects were you good at in high school?
I was good at English and accounting.
Do you have a master's degree?
Yes, I do.
In which field?
School counseling and marriage and family therapy.
Are you a genius?
No, I'm not.
Do you have a good memory or a bad memory?
I have a good memory.
Have you ever been on a blind date?
Yes, I have.
How many hours of sleep do you generally need per night?
I need about 8 hours per night.
Are you addicted to anything?
I'm addicted to online shopping.
How often do you eat fast food?
I eat fast food about once a week.
How often do you brush your teeth?
Twice a day.
Do you snore?
Only when I'm very tired.
Are you friendly?
Yes, I am.
What's your favorite fruit?
I like strawberries and cherries.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I do.
What's the best way to study English?
Practice speaking.
Do you like being asked questions?
It's okay.
All right, that's 100 questions. Thank you very much, Esther.
Thank you.
And which question do you think was the strangest question?
The strangest question. If I could lend you $100, that was a little strange.
Oh, okay, I understand. That's always the awkward question in any situation. All right, thank you very much, Esther, and bye.
Bye.